Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into a truly unique project, transforming an ordinary motorbike into one with built-in protection against rain and sun. My goal is to create something that isn't just visually appealing, but genuinely practical, allowing everyone to ride comfortably without worrying about the weather. Join me on this journey, and let's make it happen. Alright, let's jump right in by dismantling each part of the motorbike's exterior. We're going to carefully remove all the body panels to get a clear look at the bike's frame and plan the modifications needed to add our rain and sun protection. Step by step, we'll go through each part, keeping everything organized so it's ready for reassembly later. Label the wires before disconnecting them. With everything disassembled, we're ready to dive into the core transformation process. Our first task is to modify the frame, which involves cutting and extending certain parts to create the foundation for our new additions. This stage is crucial, as we need to ensure the frame remains balanced and stable, even as we make these adjustments. We'll be extending the structure, strengthening each joint to handle the added weight and stress from our planned upgrades. We're going to reinforce the underframe of the motorbike by adding extra support structures, which will significantly improve both its durability and stability. This added stability is crucial for maintaining control, especially during turns or when navigating uneven terrain, ensuring that the bike remains reliable and safe in all conditions. Next, we'll add a saddle, which is a big step forward in making the motorcycle more practical for a variety of needs, especially when it comes to carrying a person comfortably. Next, we'll focus on modifying the motorbike's frame, which is essential for our transformation. Sing Precision Cutting Tools will lengthen the frame by adding new metal sections, making sure everything is aligned perfectly. We'll begin by carefully assessing the existing structure and pinpointing areas that need to be cut and extended. Once the extensions are in place, we'll securely weld them, reinforcing any weak points to ensure they can handle the added stress and weight from our upgrades. We will carefully cut and weld the sections of the frame to ensure that all the joints fit together seamlessly. This involves precise measurements and adjustments during the welding process to guarantee that each connection is tight and secure. By achieving a snug fit at all the joints, we can enhance the overall strength and stability of the frame, ensuring it can withstand the stresses of riding and any modifications we make in the future. We need to make some careful adjustments to the steering neck to ensure it aligns perfectly with the rest of the frame. This process involves checking the angle and positioning of the steering neck meticulously to guarantee a seamless fit with the steering components. We'll take our time measuring and adjusting as necessary to achieve the right alignment, which is crucial for optimal handling. Once we've made these adjustments, we'll conduct a comprehensive inspection of the entire frame. This includes examining all joints and connections to ensure they are tight and secure, as well as verifying that there are no misalignments that could impact the motorbike's performance. We need to redo the handlebars, as this is a critical component for steering control while riding. It's essential to ensure that the handlebars are not only positioned correctly, but also secure for safe operation. Properly lubricating the bearings is crucial to ensure smooth operation and responsiveness when turning. This attention to detail will help improve the overall handling of the motorbike and ensure a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. First, we'll replace the grips to ensure they provide a comfortable and secure hold while riding. Choosing the right grips is important for maintaining control, especially during longer rides. After that, we'll take a look at the electrical connections, including the wiring for the switchgear and any indicators. Properly securing these connections is vital to prevent any issues with the electrical system while riding. We'll check for any frayed wires or loose connections, ensuring everything is properly insulated and secured. This thorough attention to the handlebars and their components will greatly enhance the overall handling and safety of the motorbike making it ready for the road ahead. We need to create a door for the motorbike using a metal frame and a windshield. This involves designing a sturdy framework that will provide both strength and durability. After the frame is complete, we'll install a windshield made of durable, shatter-resistant material. This will not only provide protection from wind and rain, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of the motorbike. Then, we'll construct a sturdy steel frame for durability. Once the frame is complete, we'll install a shatter-resistant windshield to protect against wind and rain. Finally, we'll ensure the door can be securely attached and easily opened, enhancing the bike's comfort and practicality for various riding conditions. We need to develop a precise system for raising and lowering the auxiliary wheel, ensuring accuracy down to the millimeter. This system will involve an electric motor connected to a linear actuator, which allows for smooth and accurate adjustments to the wheel's height. During installation, we will use precise measuring tools to calibrate the system, ensuring that each movement is accurate. During installation, we will use precise measuring tools to calibrate the system, ensuring that each movement is accurate. To achieve the necessary precision, we'll implement a finely tuned lever or hydraulic system, allowing for incremental adjustments. Then, we'll construct a robust mounting bracket that securely attaches the auxiliary wheel to the motorbike frame. After completing all the machining processes, it's time to assemble and finalize the auxiliary wheel. We'll start by aligning and attaching the hydraulic system to ensure secure connections. Next, we'll install the auxiliary wheel onto the mounting bracket, checking for proper alignment and free rotation. Once everything is in place, we'll test the hydraulic system to confirm it raises and lowers the wheel smoothly and accurately. Finally, we'll tighten all bolts and fasteners to ensure stability and reliability, completing the assembly and enhancing the motorbike's functionality. After carefully measuring and marking the aluminum sheet, we're ready to begin cutting the pieces that will form the floor of the motorbike. Precision is key at this stage, so we'll use high-quality cutting tools such as a jigsaw or plasma cutter to ensure each piece is cut accurately along the mark lines. His attention to detail is crucial not only for achieving the desired fit, but also for the overall appearance of the bike. With all the floor components prepared, we'll conduct a quick fit check against the motorbike frame to ensure everything aligns correctly. Once the floor pieces are cut out, we'll take the time to smooth any sharp edges using a file or sanding tool, as this will help prevent injuries during handling and installation. We'll measure and design the shape of the body, ensuring that it complements the bike's frame and functional requirements. Using precision cutting tools, we'll carefully cut the metal sheets according to our design specifications. We're going to borrow a few parts from an old car, such as headlights and mirrors, to enhance our motorbike. Additionally, we'll repurpose a storage box to provide extra utility for carrying tools or personal items while riding. We'll design a secure mounting solution for the box on the motorbike. Once the pieces are cut, we'll proceed with forming the metal components. This may involve bending, shaping, or welding the pieces together to create the desired contours of the motorbike body. We'll use welding techniques to join the sections securely, ensuring that all connections are strong and can withstand the stresses of riding. Finally, once the body is finished and securely attached to the frame, we'll ensure that all parts are properly aligned and functioning as intended, completing the transformation of the motorbike into a robust and stylish ride. We're going to install a shock absorbing system to improve comfort and handling on the motorbike. First, we'll select suitable shock absorbers based on the bike's weight and use. We'll choose suitable mounting locations and securely attach the mirrors. After installation, we'll adjust them for optimal visibility and do a quick test ride to ensure they are functioning properly. All the processes we've completed can now be considered finished. It's time to disassemble the various components for a fresh new look. We'll carefully take apart the parts we've modified and installed, ensuring we keep everything organized for reassembly later. Once disassembled, we'll prepare the surfaces for painting by cleaning and sanding them to ensure proper adhesion. After that, we'll apply a fresh coat of paint to give the motorbike a vibrant new appearance. We'll select colors and finish that not only look great, but also provide protection against the elements. Once the paint has dried, we'll reassemble the bike, bringing everything together for the final reveal. We're going to assemble the electrical connections and test the switches to ensure everything is functioning properly. First, we'll carefully connect the wiring harnesses, ensuring each wire is securely attached to the correct terminal. Once the connections are made, we'll check all the switches and controls to confirm they are working as intended. This includes testing the headlights, turn signals, and any other electrical components installed on the motorbike. After completing the checks, we'll troubleshoot any issues that arise, making adjustments as necessary to ensure all systems are operational. This step is crucial to ensure the motorbike is safe and fully functional before the final assembly. Once all the parts are in place, we'll proceed to install the windshield. This involves positioning it correctly to provide optimal wind protection while maintaining a sleek appearance. We'll use the appropriate hardware to secure the windshield firmly, making sure it can withstand the elements during rides. After everything is installed, we'll double-check all connections and fittings to ensure they are secure. Next, we'll install the seat and prepare for a test ride. Finally, we'll step back and admire the newly transformed motorbike, ready for the road with its fresh look and added features. Let's take it for a spin together. Now that the restoration is complete, do you recognize your motorbike? It's incredible to see how far it has come. The fresh paint, the new components, and the added features have truly transformed it into a remarkable ride. The sleek design, enhanced functionality, and improved comfort make it feel like a whole new machine. I'm excited to take it for a spin and experience the difference firsthand. What do you think of the changes? It's amazing to see the vision come to life.